Hi guys, so for today's video, we're going to unbox this birthday gift from my friends and auntie. So we're going to start. So first, I'm going to start the small one. So this one, I don't know what is this. So let's open it. This one is from my friend. Charan! Oh, I knew it. Ang ano kaya to? Ang hirap. Ah, oh, it's a ring and, oh my god, naglambot. It's a ring and necklace. Pero ano siya. Hindi nila kasi nilagay sa box. Oh my god. Alam nila na mahilig ako sa mga fashion jewelry. So, ang una nating natanggap ay ang necklace. This is the necklace. This is the necklace. And then, a ring. So cute. And so cute a ring. So, it's a match. Oh, it fits to me. And then the necklace go like this. Oh, so this is the first gift that I received from my friend. So ang ganda po niya. Ang ganda niya. So I have another gift from also my friend. Arlene. I think it's Arlene. So it's Pandora from Pandora. So I'm excited what they're going to give me. So alam na nila kung ano ang gusto ko. So ayan, it's a Pandora. Wow! OMG! So, ito po guys. It's a earrings. So, yan siya. Earrings po ang binigay. Ang cute. May pearl. So, guys, nasan yung box? So, ayan. Ayan. Ang cute niya. Matry nga pala. Ngayon ko muna itong earrings ko. OMG. Alam nila ko nung paborito ko. Ayan lang. It's from Pandora. So cute. Ang ganda-ganda niya. So, mamaya ko na to wala ko muna yung another gift na naman ay ito. Ayan, galing sa may special someone. So, ito pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ano to? Oh my god, yung cellphone ko. Anong laman? So, sabay-sabay nating buksan. So, Rolo. cute. Lagyan ng candle. May picture. Picture ako. Tapos yung ano. Ay, ang cute niya. So, ayan. From my special someone. Sa aking habibi. Sa aking night boat. Tapos, another one. So, ang daming nagbibigay. Unexpected gift from my auntie and friends. So, this time, we're going to open this one again. Oh my God. So, tingnan natin kung ano. Oh, lamon. Buksan natin. Daming tipa. So, pero yung boses ko kasi parang allergic ko, hindi mawawala. Ah! Slipper! Havaianas slipper. It's a Havaianas slipper. Thank you so much na nagbigay. So, wait na muna natin ito. May nagbigay din sa atin ng birthday card. Ayan. To Loki. And happy birthday. Money. It's a money. Ayan, from my friend. Oh, thank you so much sa aking mga friends. Daming nagmamahal sa akin. Another one is birthday card again. So, ayan yung birthday. Ang cute. Danish flag. Danish flag. So, money. Have money again. So, ayan. Happy. And then. So, ayan. So, ayan. Galing sa aking talik din na kaibigan. Next. The last. This one. MG Pandora again. It's Pandora. Ano kaya to? Oh, wow. It's a necklace. Guys, it's a necklace. Ayan. Pandora necklace. Sapphire yung ano niya. Yung sapphire. Ayan. Ang cute. At ganito siya. O, diba? Bagay sa damit ko. May blue din yung damit ko. Ang ganda-ganda. So, yan po ang aking regalo na tanggap for now. Actually, it's a advanced birthday gift nila to. So, ayan. Marami-dami. So, yan ang ano ko. Yung regalo ko. So, I have 2 necklace, 1 ring, and akala ko 2 necklace, asa na yung ring, and ring, and cards, and slipper. So, ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support sa akin, sa palaging andyan. Maraming salamat at mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Have a nice day, everyone, and God bless you all, and thank you for all your support to me. Bye!